Welcome to the Chiefs Way. Now mash that subscribe button or drop it, give me 50!
Good evening, YouTube. Before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe to help the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Harbor Freight 400 watt universal solar connector. Okay, this is it. Before we start, make sure there is one specific connector they mark as an output. So if you have one of these, make sure you output out of that one. Okay, it's got connectors all the way around. There's 8 of them, 2, 4, 6, and 8. If you open this plastic cover up that keeps the weather out, there's SAE connectors. But the object of today's video is we're going to go ahead and see what's on the inside, see what these are made of. So I got a couple screwdrivers here, and we're going to see if we can get this thing apart. Okay, first of all, I see that they got some clips in here, and it's definitely starting to come apart. You see the clips here that clip over on the outside. So let's keep going around here and see if we can get another screwdriver here. Keep this going. Okay. Yeah, I've never seen a video where somebody looked on the inside and see what was on the inside of these things. So I thought I'd give it a shot, see if we can figure out what it's made of. All right, so we got it apart. Okay, and I mean, it looks like it's pretty simple. We get a look at it. All these connectors tie into, make sure where the output is. Okay. I'm going to get it back together correctly. So I'm going to take off that so I know which one's the output. Okay. So all of them, the wires go into this little kind of block, and it's split down the middle. You know, there's a red side, and there's the black side and the red side. And there's really not too much to it, and I suppose all the wires are all connected together on the inside of these little blocks. See if I can see that, how there's 2 different sides to it. And it looks like it's pretty hefty wire there on the inside. See if I can read it. I think it's 10. 10 or 12 at the most, maybe. It handles 400 watts and 30 amps. So I think it would be 10 gauge. All right, YouTube, I just wanted to make a video showing what's on the inside of the Harbor Freight 400 watt universal solar connector. All right, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.